Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. We have a great little upgrade for the car today and it's going to make the car look lit. So I'm going to show you. It's a box, a very long thin box that's very light. Can you guess what it is? Anyway, the guys at VIP have sorted me out, as you can see. Links in the description to what this thing actually is, and you can go and purchase one for yourself. And yeah, so should we get undoing the box and we'll see what it is. Come on in. Okay, gonna get the porcelain knife out for this one. Let's start that shopping process. Careful with knives, kids. Shit is sharp. Especially porcelain ones. Yeah, so if you come round my house, you're going to get some of that. Cut through your bones like butter. Put the deadly weapon over there. I know what you're thinking. I don't know what it is. But soon all will be revealed. I don't know what we've got here. We've got tape. We've got tape. Ooh, right. We've still got tape. Got tape here. Always cut away from yourself. Rule number 1 of knife cutting. Okay. What we got in here? Okay, they went all out of the box here. Are you ready? You ready for this? Oh my god! What is it? What is it you're asking? It is a bayson rear wing extension. Look at that. Now everybody seems to go for the Maxton design wing flip. I've decided, nah. Everybody's got one of them. You don't see many of them with the baysons, so it's bayson time for me. So that's it. It comes raw plastic. So we can either spray it up, which is probably what I will do, and then we can get the self-adhesive on, lash it on, jobs are good. So let's get busy. The only thing that pisses me off with these products is that the same with Maxton one, they're made of plastic, right? They must cost all the fucking 2 pence to make, a £5 tops, and yet they all, both of them, are nearly 100 quid. Nearly £100 for this shit. Bit of plastic. Do you know what I mean? Just so you're aware, the kit does come with the tape that you need. Double-sided tape, the M tape. And because you order from Neil at VIP, you most certainly, most of the time, get some sweets with your package. Always a winning touch, that one. I'm always gutted if I don't get sweets. I normally give them a text and say, "Oh, where's me Haribo?" Okay everyone, I'm going to give it a spray up. Not the best of lighting, but you know, it must. So we'll give it a coat with the with some black, shiny black, and fingers crossed it goes on all right. Okay, that's the first coat. Okay, let's go with coat number 2. Okay, another coat. Okay, now that it's particularly dry, we need to get the sticky back plastic on, or as other people call it, M3 tape. So we need to apply this on. Ready? So we'll need to slash it on. I'll put it on, then I'll show you what I've done.